In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the new GoHighLevel chat widget. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and heading to your company dashboard. From the main menu, go to Sites, then open the Chat Widget section. Click New to create a fresh widget. A chat widget is the small messenger that appears on your website so visitors can reach you instantly. Every message lands inside your GoHighLevel inbox so your team can reply in one place. Choose All-in-One Chat. This option brings multiple channels into a single experience, so website visitors can chat and, if you've connected them, you can also route conversations from channels like Facebook and Instagram, and even SMS if enabled. If you see other options, those are typically single-channel versions. All-in-One keeps everything unified. Give your widget a name so it's easy to find later. In this walkthrough, rename it to Web Page Live Chat. Next, select your chat type to match your needs. Stick with the all-in-one setup for a streamlined experience. Set your default opening line. For this demo, type, "Hello there, how can we help?" Open styles to pick your look and feel. Colors, button shape, and icon to match your brand. You can also enable custom greetings. These are short, proactive messages the widget shows to nudge visitors to start a conversation. Turn on Enable Custom Greeting if you want to tailor that prompt and edit the copy to fit your tone. Go to Widget Customization to control placement. Choose where the widget sits on desktop. Bottom right is common for visibility without blocking content. Head into Chat Window to edit the window title if needed, and refine your intro message to set expectations, like typical reply times. If you want to collect details up front or when you're offline, enable the contact form. This adds fields like name, email, or phone so you can follow up. In Live Chat Assigned, confirm how incoming chats are routed. Then adjust the inactivity timeout, the delay before the chat marks a lull, and craft the message visitors see if they go quiet. You can also customize the message shown when live chat is closed. Open Facebook Chat Setup to connect Messenger if you use it, then choose your page. Under Additional Options, add your agency website URL. This lists the domain so the widget and channel integrations display properly. Be sure the URL is correct. Go to Messaging and open Live Chat Acknowledgement. Edit the acknowledgement message that confirms you've received a visitor's note. Tweak your feedback message, the feedback submission note, and the chat-ended message to keep the experience consistent. In Acknowledgement, you can also adjust the greeting that appears after a visitor submits their details. Finally, click Save. You've now built your GoHighLevel chat widget. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.